I'm in critical operations. People like me get up every day and protect life, improve efficiency. We make the world run more smoothly. We work in small water utilities and big pharma companies, power stations, or oil rigs. You get the idea. Here's what that looks like for my team. Our PI system is constantly sending dissolved gas data to our diagnostic system, 24/7. Sometimes there's an impurity, so our software kicks out a work order. Last time, one of our engineers noticed increased gassing at the same time. He was able to immediately review that data with colleagues in some of our other facilities. We needed to make a tough decision and make it fast. I made the call and took out a primary transformer. It was a $100,000 repair, but it helped us prevent a $2 million failure. We prevented a power outage that could have disrupted cities, businesses, hospitals. I can't put a dollar value on that. For people like me, the PI system is all about getting the right data to the right people at the right time. It lets us take advantage of old equipment and the newest technology at the same time, not just in one plant, but across to our most remote locations, across our most advanced systems, across our supply chain, and across our planet. What we do with the PI system day in, day out, makes our critical operations run more smoothly. It's not flashy, you're not going to see it on the news, but it's the most important thing in the world.